We all know that healthy skin is very important. You want to be able to go out without makeup sometimes, so you need to take good care of your skin. So you can see my skin. Charm is deceptive and beauty does not last, but a woman who fears the Lord will be greatly praised. Proverbs 31 verse 30. Hi everyone, it's Queen Blessyn here. So today I want to do a quick get on ready with me video featuring Estée Lauder and Influenster. Okay, so I got this amazing product to review and I just want to try that. I thought to do like a quick video and show you guys how I usually like my nighttime routine when I do wear makeup and I'm trying to take off my makeup. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be trying out this product. Sincerely, it's not the first time I'm trying it because I already tried it in the past and it was really good, but I was excited when I got it again because the previous one has finished, right? So I was really excited when I got the sample size. So I'm going to try it for you guys real quick. Also, I got this face massager that I've been wanting to try for a long time. I finally got it one, so I'm gonna use this and the serum to massage my face. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, melt out the makeup. Sometimes I use this product. It's called Albolene. Yes, and it helps to keep moisture locked in while you take off your makeup. It is really good. The texture is jelly like. I know you guys can't see because of my lights, but it's jelly like. You're going to see in a bit. It also has the one for the eye, especially for the eye. I used to try out coconut oil, but I discovered that with coconut oil my it gets into my eyes and then my eyes becomes really irritated. So that's the only reason why I do is coconut oil. But coconut oil is another good alternative that you can use to take off your makeup, apart from the micellar water or face wipes and all that. I mean, I actually still use face wipes, but usually I just use this because it helps to dissolve the makeup better. So without further ado, let me just jump right into this video and show you guys how I get on ready. Okay, so stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, so I just finished wiping off my face. Obviously you guys saw that, and I must tell you my face feels amazing. Like, it just feels like I washed it already, but I haven't. And that's one of the reasons why I really love the Albolene product, because it just dissolves the makeup and just, you know, takes it off, and then it doesn't dry out your face. Like, my face still looks really supple from, you know, even though I've cleaned out the makeup, it still looks hydrated because I have dry skin. My T-zone, or well, combination, my T-zone is oily, but every other part of my face is dry. Like, when I say dry, like really dry. Like, when I take a bath, if I don't like immediately apply my toner and my face cream, like, my face just gets really dry. So I always look out for products that are going to help to keep my face hydrated. Okay, so that is why I recommend the Albolene, especially if you have dry skin. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to go in with another product I just started using recently, which is the Clean and Clear. This product is really good as well, and I love it because it has scrub like particles in it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it just has like tiny particles in it. So when I use it to wash my face, it's like a 2-in-1 process for me, because it kind of exfoliates my skin and then it makes it squeaky clean, like really clean. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face now, and then I'm going to come back again and show you guys the final part of the video. Okay, so stay tuned and keep watching. Guys, so I'm done washing my face. Usually I don't towel dry my face for the most part. Sometimes when I forget, I do. I mean, I have to be honest, but for the most part I don't, and it's for the same reason I told you guys earlier on, because I have very dry skin. So I usually like to leave my face wet and just go ahead and apply my product so everything just dries into the skin. I also heard that really helps with helping your face to stay hydrated, so I do that. Now the next thing I do is I go in with a toner, also from Clean and Clear, the same lemon brand, I guess. So I use the scrub, the facial scrub, and then the toner. Now usually for my toner, what I do is I try not to use cotton ball or cotton pad. I just pour it on my hands, and then I dab it all over my face. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So this is one I was using previously, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some on my palm like so, and then just dab it all over my face and just wait for it to dry. I know it looks really messy and tacky, but that's what I do. So I just, you know, let it absorb into my skin. I also try to get to my neck area, especially when I take like a full bath, but since I didn't take a full bath, I don't need to do that. So yeah, I'm going to wait real quick for it to dry, and then we'll continue with the process. Okay, so my face is especially dried now, and this is the point where I just apply my product and, you know, massage it in. Unfortunately, the sample size doesn't come with a dropper, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a dropper from another product that I'm almost out of and use that for the serum. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert a dropper, and that is what it looks like. So I'm just going to drop it like so. And just, you know, massage it into my skin. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, so I'm done with that process, and I can instantly tell you guys that my face feels rejuvenated by doing that exercise right now. And again, like I said, I've used this product before, so I can't tell you guys otherwise. It's really good, and you can see that it instantly just helps your face to glow, which is part of the benefits of using it. And the immediate result, it says, is that the immediate result is this: your skin looks radiant and instantly hydrated. For me, hydration is key because I have dry skin. For when you use it for like 3 weeks, consistency is key. Lines and wrinkles appear reduced, like they're not so obvious anymore. So if you have wrinkles, or if you have fine lines and all that, by the time you use it for like 3 weeks, you start to see a lot of improvement. And by the 4th week, your skin feels firmer with healthy looking bounce. So yeah, those are the benefits. And it has antioxidants, it's free of paraben and sulfates and all that, mineral oil. It's really good. The texture is kind of liquidy, like, if there's any word like that. So it's really good. Highly recommended if it's something you want to try. And yeah, so what I usually do when I get to this point is I go with my lip balm. I go because my lips are always dry, like so dry. So I just go with my lip balm. Make sure that the lips also get some TLC. And last but not the least, I go in with my rose water or coconut water, whatever. But today, let me use the rose water. I go in with this, or I use this. But I'm almost running out of this, so I'm going to use this tonight. So yeah, I just spray. And there you have it. That is how I get ready. After, you know, any day I wear makeup, I usually just take out time to pamper my skin, because again, makeup. So yeah, because we all know that healthy skin is very important. You want to be able to go out without makeup sometimes, so you need to take good care of your skin. So you can see my skin, I'm still suffering from like the sunburn I got a while back. It's been really difficult, and that is why you need to wear sunscreen. Anytime you're going out, wear your sunscreen. It's really important. So yeah, there's the dark spots, but it's fading off. It's just going off really fast, so I thank God for that. But yeah, so that'll be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want me to do more videos like this, do let me know. I know it's kind of long, but hey, these things take time. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.